In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can change Amazon currency on your laptop or PC. Now, the first thing you need to do, guys, is you want to click on where it says like the language in the top right. Just move your mouse there, and then you want to scroll down. As you can see here change currency. You want to click on change, and here you can change the currency to any currency you want. Like if you live in Europe, you can select euro. If you live in United States, you can select dollars. So you will find a lot of countries here, even Chinese and Brazilian and all the currencies here. Select the one that you want, and then you can select also the language, then click on save changes. After that, you will find that all the items on Amazon, they are going to be in the currency you have selected. Let's just check right now. So as you can see, guys, everything works just fine. As you can see, it's dollars. That's what I selected. So hopefully this video, guys, helped. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys next video.